Chris. He said that's right.
I told him to pull up. He
Hold on.
How you put a crazy unveil?
Wait, don't open it without.
Open the phone box.
Wait, don't
How
open
you
it
know?
without.
Oh, like this.
How I get there?
This is what it is. Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, how?
Wait.
Right. No, don't say. You just do like this.
How you doing? Oh, you slide it up.
Squeeze all inside. It's crispy. We don't
Hold on. Don't mess up the box. Even the box is expensive.
There you go.
I got your Monopoly.
Yeah.
I got it.
22.
I got your Barbie doll.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh my God.
So every one of the 23s come with like a little pendant, so you know exactly what shoe it is.
40K.
Oh, no, wait. Let's go through the details, man.
Go to the details. Go to the details. Yep,
Go
good.
down,
Yep,
right.
good.
I think I need more help over here.
There you go.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it, bro.
What's going on, bro?
Appreciate it, bro.
What's up,
Yo, it's Christmas.
What's up, bro?
Wait, it's Christmas. It's Christmas.
Oh, we got the book.
Hold on, let me show them details, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, this is my cotton candy.
Wow.
What the?
What the hell? He got one for you too. For everybody.
I'm not gonna lie.
Oh my
I gotta put this in a souvenir. For sure.
You gotta look out, man.
This might not even touch concrete.
Oh Lord! Smell like fresh feet.
Oh God!
Let me show these.
Whoa!
Oh my God! It's the 23. When these come out?
They'll be out later this month.
Wait, so these not out?
These not out. We got unreleased.
No.
Bro, pull up.
We did a limited edition.
Yo!
I don't think they out.
Hello.
Limited edition.